Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hotjar to analyze checkout friction. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Hotjar website. In the top right corner, click on the login button. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once your login details are entered, click on the Login button. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Hotjar dashboard. Select the appropriate site or project from the dashboard if you have multiple. In the left sidebar, look for the Heat Maps option and click on it. Next, click on the Recordings option to view user sessions. To analyze checkout friction, navigate to the section of your site associated with the checkout process. Review the recordings to identify areas where users hesitate or abandon the process. Take notes on specific points where users encounter friction. For deeper insights, also check the Surveys section for user feedback. Analyze the data gathered to determine common pain points in the checkout process. Use these insights to implement changes aimed at reducing friction. After implementing changes, return to Hotjar to monitor user behavior again. This cycle will help ensure a smoother checkout experience for your users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.